Hi, this is Pam, Flower Patch Farmhouse, and today I'm going to show you how to divide echinaceas. I'm taking root divisions today because I want them to be the same color as the parent. And this particular plant is White Swan Echinacea, and it had cross-pollinated with my regular purple echinaceas. And so the seeds, if I would have started them from seed, wouldn't come true. They wouldn't be white. I have tried it and they come out pink. So I want more white ones, and so I'm going to take a root division and I'm going to show you how I do that. So stay tuned. Now here the echinacea is. I tried to rinse off as much dirt as I could so I could get a good view of the root mass to split it. Now if I had my good garden knife, I could do this with it. It's on order, so I have to wait for that, and I want to get this done today because I'm giving a piece to a friend. And if you can see, there was a large stalk over there and another one over here, so I can safely divide this right down the middle. I'm using my shovel, and I'm just going to chop right through the root mass. And there, you see I have a piece here, and I will clean it up a little bit, and then I will put it into a pot. This will probably be a 4-inch pot, will work just fine because I'm taking it to them today. And here's another piece, so here's another one that will grow. And then I could probably divide this one once again. I'll just go right down the center of that. So basically I'm kind of quartering the entire root mass. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4 echinacea from dividing that. Super easy, and anybody can do it. Now I'm going to pot up my new divisions, or at least some of them. Here's a smaller one that I'll just put in this 1-gallon pot, and then I'll write on the pot what is in it, because when it's dormant it doesn't show and you don't know for sure. And let me tell you, when you do a lot of these, after a while you forget what's in what. So I'm just filling up. This is just some compost that I got from a local turkey farm. It's an organic turkey farm, and I mixed it with perlite to give it lots of drainage. I might have even a little bit too much perlite in this mix, but it will do just fine. There, I got it. I want to come up to the crown, but not really too much over it. And so I put that piece in there. And this does not have to stay in my greenhouse. This can actually go right outside and stay outside all winter because these are cold hardy. And there you have it. I'll water this in, but since we're getting rain tomorrow, I don't even have to do that. The base of it was soaked from when I soaked it to wash away some of the soil, and I'm just going to trim off all this dead stuff. And my trimmers, they really need they need to be sharpened. Anyways, there you have it. I'm going to write with the Sharpie on this label what this is. This is White Swan. I will also write on the back side with a silver Sharpie, which I don't think I have it in here right now in my greenhouse. I think that one dried up. I'll get another one, but I'll mark on here again with a silver Sharpie that this is White Swan Echinacea. And then it will be ready to plant out next spring. And these others, they're a bit larger clumps and lots of roots. You can see tons of roots on that. This will go directly back in the garden in the new spots I have it. There's one there. In fact, I could probably cut that in half again, cut it right here, and get 2 out of that. And then here's this one here. So those are going to go in the garden, and they will do great in place. All right, that's it for dividing your echinaceas to propagate and get more.